You're hired! Have you ever stumbled when asked what attracted you to our company during an interview? It's a common question that can set you apart from other candidates if answered thoughtfully. Today, we'll guide you through crafting a compelling response that demonstrates your enthusiasm and alignment with the company's values. Employers ask this to gauge your interest in their organization and to see if you've done your homework. It's your chance to show that you're not just looking for any job, you're looking for this job at this company. Let's explore how to structure a powerful response, highlighting key elements that should be included. Begin by expressing your admiration for the company's values. For example, I've always been impressed by your commitment to innovation and sustainability. It's clear that you're not just a business, but a platform for positive global change, which deeply resonates with my personal values. Next, compliment their company culture. Say something like, your company's focus on employee growth and teamwork is what draws me the most. I thrive in collaborative environments where continuous learning is encouraged. Conclude by tying your career goals to the opportunities the company offers. Joining your team would not only allow me to contribute my skills effectively, but also grow in a field I am passionate about, especially with your recent expansion into new markets. Crafting such a response takes research and practice, but it's worth it to show your commitment and stand out in your interview. Practice this approach and you'll be ready to impress at your next interview. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more career-winning advice from our channel. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.